How to change quality of download on MX Player. In order to do so, you may follow up this method. So open up MX Player application, and once you are there, from the given interface, you may locate up the download option in the bottom right corner of your MX Player. Go ahead and tap on it. After you go ahead and tap on it, from this downloader section in MX Player, what you need to do is simply go ahead and type in a URL in this YouTube video search bar. In this section, just go ahead and type in the URL. Just go ahead and do that. You may select up a video of YouTube or Twitter applications or even your Drive. Once you have located up the video, in the bottom you should be finding a download option. You may go ahead and directly tap on it. Otherwise, what you can do is, so you may simply go ahead and play the video. And once you play the video, we have the settings icon right under the video. Click on it. And once you do that, we have this quality option. Select that option. And you may select the highest quality available, which is 1080p. Once that is done, go ahead and tap on the download button in the bottom right corner. And once that is done, the video should be downloaded onto your device with the latest quality. So that is how you basically do it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.